Now, of course, if the next need to transform from CapEx to OpEx. One thing about cloud is that you don't know your future. Okay, if you try to predict, you either make a big mistakes or you make a very big errors. Okay, you either under capacity, catered or you over catered. Therefore, cloud again comes in very useful because you want to transform from CapEx to OpEx because it allows you to manage. But please bear in mind, it doesn't mean you'll save money. You'll be surprised that actually if you can predict a crystal ball, it might be better off to buy straight upfront than OpEx, because OpEx means that there is more risk management at a vendor's point of view, which they have to pass it to you ultimately. Okay, so it's managed. So recently I started to tell people that the technology company is like bankers. The bankers manage risk with funds. We manage risk with technology. So increasingly cloud players are in the risk business. Okay, and of course the other way is to tap on the social network. Each of these Facebook, YouTube, as you know, a lot of organizations now is you put your own videos onto the YouTube. Then you link it back to your corporate organization. But technically, you are actually leveraging on the cloud. Okay, that is a cloud to you, as far as you're concerned. All right.